Oh, there you go. It fits. I was really scared for a second. Alright, so today's video is going to be an Italo Jewelry unboxing. I've done a few of these in the past. Thank you so much to Italo for sponsoring this video. It really means a lot that they continue to support my channel. This is a company I truly believe in, and I think they have truly quality pieces. Before I get into this unboxing though, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. You can follow me on all of my social media, mainly Instagram, because you know that's my specialty. And yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So Italo is a jewelry company that specializes in wedding and engagement rings and things like of that nature. Everything is really great quality, but they are not made with diamonds, so they are not like real engagement rings and wedding rings. Most of their pieces are made out of white sapphire, but I'm going to show you two pieces that they sent over to me for me to unbox in front of you. I'm really excited to show you what I got, but this is the box that they come in. It comes in the same box pretty much every time. I believe for the holidays though, they do have like a red ribbon. So if you're looking to get somebody a gift for Christmas, you don't even really have to wrap it because it's a red ribbon and it looks all Christmassy and cute, and I just love that. And then it has their logo obviously at the front, and then it's a little magnetic clasp, and you open it and you get a bunch of stuff in here about jewelry care, their warranty, and all that stuff, as well as a little pouch in case you don't want to keep the boxes. But all their jewelry does come in their standard Italo Jewelry box. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I will read what these cards say later on. I also want to show you the pieces I've received from them in the past so you guys can see how much I have from them and how well they have withstood time, because I've been working with them for over a year at this point. Let's see which one this is. So this is, let's open this. Okay. Oh, this is, oh, I was really excited about this one. So this is a rose gold. I do want to read off the website exactly the one that I'm showing you. This is a braided wedding band. This could be considered a wedding band, but honestly, even if you're not getting married, you can use this as like a normal ring. I probably should have gotten 1/2 size up to be able to wear it on this finger. I wanted like a ring that I could wear, you know, daily. And a lot of people like that in their engagement rings. Like they don't want something to be so bam in your face, or their wedding bands even. And I think that this is great. Let me cut this off real quick. I just love the color too. Like as soon as I saw this, I was browsing their website and I was like, I love this. I would totally use this every single day. This is so pretty. I love that it's braided. It reminds me kind of like feathery, like a feathery look. And it is, let me tell you exactly. This is a rose gold braid design wedding band. It's $119. Oh, by the way, you could use my discount code. I'll have it right here. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it gets you 20% off your purchase. They also have Black Friday sales going on. So this is made out of rose gold. It weighs 7.15 grams. It gives a platinum appearance. It's nickel free. I'm gonna tell you the details that it says on the website about this exact wedding band. It says the rose gold ring is designed with intricate weave braided Celtic style, the Celtic, whatever. I love this. That's exactly what I was like going for. The Celtic ring has been known as a symbol for love and eternity for a millennia. Elegant and simple design never goes out of style. Also could be pendants, gifts packed in our jewelry box, ready to give to a loved one. This ring can also be worn as a beautiful and elegant cocktail ring, exactly what I wanted it for, and is perfect for an anniversary gift, wedding gift, Mother's Day gift, birthday gift, holiday gift, or as an I love you gift. Yeah, this is the first ring. Really obsessed with it. We also have a second one here, and this is more of a bam in your face sort of engagement ring, really. Oh, by the way, I got this one in a size 7 so I could wear it on other fingers, but perhaps my fingers are a little bloated. Although my right hand is always like bigger because it's my dominant hand. Usually that's the way it goes. By the way, this is my normal engagement ring, obviously made out of diamonds. Engagement and wedding ring, they're like fused together. You can totally see how comparable they are. Like they look really good quality. Like these look like actual diamonds, and I'll show you like an up close in a second. And I got this one in a size 6. I'm pretty sure that's what my wedding and engagement ring size. So this one is the Milgrain Cathedral Halo engagement ring. So I have never actually gotten a halo engagement ring from them before, and this one is $118.70. This one is made out of sterling silver, but the gems is white sapphire. The cut is emerald. It has a 4-prong stone setting and it is round. Yeah, the stones are round. I didn't even realize that. The center stone weight is 1 carat. The total weight is 1.36 carats. It gives a platinum appearance. And the details on this one say, this halo engagement ring is full of stylish elements, hexagonal, round, pear-shaped, and star-like combination. Emerald cut sapphire shines like a diamond. I totally agree. I love the cut of this. Like if I didn't get my princess cut 3-stone engagement ring, I would have loved an emerald cut or even a cushion cut. I really like those. I have a cushion cut that I got from them in the past. But I just felt like my fingers are so small. Like I have one here. I have a couple that they've sent me in the past that they're so big, and I love them for like a night out. I really love these two so much. I am really happy with what I got. And besides the rings that came in the box, like I said, you get a little bag in case you want to store them in there. You get a silver polishing cloth. It's really important to be able to do that. You get the sterling silver certificate, 925 sterling silver certificate, and you get the disinfection of jewelry products, probably because of COVID, because I don't think they've ever sent me this before. It just tells you that everything is really nice and disinfected in their warehouse, which is amazing. So they also include a jewelry care guide. So keep your jewelry secure, remove your jewelry before bathing, use the polishing cloth for best results, clean your jewelry with care, use warm water to clean jewelry, and avoid cleaning and damaged jewelry. They also do have a 1-year warranty. So they offer a 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects. So if you think that something's wrong with your ring and you haven't actually had an accident with it, like you haven't dropped it and it hasn't shattered or anything like that, then they will take care of it. They also have a 60-day return policy. So if you're not completely happy with what you received, you can send it back. I am just browsing through their website and I just love how easy it is to maneuver. They have a Black Friday sale going on at the top, and it just kind of tells you what kind of savings you have. 30% off of $300, 20% off of $200, 10% off of any order. My code will get you 20% off of, I think, anything, but it might be a minimum of 50. I don't really think that anything is under $50 on their site, to be honest. Again, great quality, really quality materials. I really love that they have different categories on their site, so you can easily browse it. You can look up new engagement, wedding bands, wedding sets, jewelry, men, personalized, by collection, or the Black Friday deals that they have going on. I wholeheartedly stand behind them. I think that they are such great quality, and let me show you what I've gotten from them in the past and show you how they have held up. In all honesty, I'm not 100% sure what order I got these in. Almost a year ago was when I got this one, because this I think is my favorite piece from them I've ever gotten. So you know what, I'll have my videos that I've done with them in the past up in the eye and down below as well, so you guys can check them out. I don't remember when I did this. It might have been more than a year ago now. I just think it's so fun. I love the rose gold color. I'm really like into rose gold. I'm really into the style of this. I really like the cushion cut stone. I think it's really pretty. Nothing has happened to the stone. It is amazing. This is definitely one of my favorite pieces from them. This is another piece that I think is not as like crazy. Like if you just want a ring just to wear a ring and it's not necessarily a wedding band, this is the V-cut wedding band, and I really like this like just to wear, again, just for fun. Like, you know what, I'll just put it here just for fun. I love the style of this. I think it's very unique. And also, you know what's great about these rings is that if you are on a budget and you are thinking about getting married or getting engaged, you can show your significant other if they're not watching this video, because I'm sure not a lot of men are going to be clicking on this video unless they're looking up for their significant other, in which case, if you are, I highly recommend these pieces if you're on a budget. A lot of these are under $200. I also have this square cut. I think this is an emerald cut as well. I really like the emerald cut, but this is another bam in your face engagement ring. I really love this one as well. So this is the oval split shank white sapphire engagement ring, and I really like this one as well. I have a couple more wedding bands here. This one's the craziest one I've ever gotten. This is a 3-row wedding band. Oh yeah, there you go, it fits. I was really scared for a second. I was like, there's no way. I should have gotten a size up so I could actually wear it on my other fingers, but you know what, like this is, if I want to feel really fancy, I will put this on. I have worn this, I really have, and I love it. And then I have another one which is also really fancy. Again, all of these are made from white sapphire except for the rose gold, which is rose gold, but I think this is sapphire as well. Anyway, it's just not white sapphire obviously, but this one is an oval cut wedding band, and I'm really loving this. Again, I just think that these are a great affordable option if you are looking for something like that, and they're great quality. They're not going to break down. They have a warranty, and you can send them back if you're not truly satisfied with your order. You can use my code to get you an additional percentage off, but as it is, they're very affordable. Oh, they also do have other pieces, by the way. They have like necklaces, they have bracelets, they have all kinds of things, but they specialize in engagement and wedding rings that are not like the crazy $1,000 diamonds. I'm continuously impressed with the quality of this jewelry. It does not tarnish, it doesn't go bad. Like I said, I've had them for a really long time. And yeah, once again, you can use my code for an additional 20% off. I think it's 20% off. I'll have it here, and I'll also have a link that you can just click on down below so you can check out their site. But I highly recommend Italo Jewelry. So you know the holiday season is coming up. Definitely recommend checking out Italo for that time if you're looking for gifts for your significant other. And yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And let me know which ring was your favorite of the two today. I love them both. I can't choose, so I'm not gonna choose. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So Italo is a jewelry company, and they specialize in wedding bands and wedding engagement. So Italo is a what the heck?